This podcast is brought to you by Enlightening Learners Academic Coaching and Tutoring Services. In this presentation, we're going to learn how to solve systems equations by the elimination method using addition or subtraction. Questions to consider when reviewing these notes. Why is the elimination method used? What is different about the two equations that allows you to add the equations together in order to eliminate one of the variables? In what situations would you choose to subtract the two equations in order to cancel one of the variables? And the last question, after you have solved one of the variables, given two equations in standard form, x plus y equals 6, x minus y equals positive 2, and we're being asked to find the solution, that is, to find where these two lines cross. Notice that my y's are the same value, but one is a positive and one is a negative. This allows us to combine these two equations into one and get rid of one of the values and variables. In this case, we're going to get rid of y. So we've got x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 2. Let's combine these two equations to make one linear equation. 2x, the y's cancel, and we're left with 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. We divide 2 by both sides to get x by itself. My solution for x is 4. Now I'm going to pick one of these equations. It doesn't matter which. In this case, I'm going to pick x plus y equals 6. And I'm going to use substitution to replace the x with a 4. Four plus y equals 6, and I want to subtract 4 from both sides to get y by itself. 6 minus 4 is 2. My solution is 4 negative 2. Excuse me, 4 positive 2. Now, we want to plug these in to see if they are in fact true solutions. We replace our x with 4, our y with 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. That checks out. And we want to use the other equation as well. X minus y equals 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 2 equals 2. So they both work. Sometimes you'll notice that in this case, 4x plus y equals 9 and 3x plus y equals 6, the y's aren't going to immediately cancel out. In this case, we've got to use a system called subtraction. Now, what I want to do is I want to subtract one of the equations from each other. And when we subtract, we're going to change the values, the signs of this 3x, the y, and the 6. So I'm going to copy the first line down. And in this case, I'm going to subtract 3x because it's the opposite of a positive 3x. I'm going to subtract the y because it's the opposite of y. And I'm going to subtract the 6 because it's opposite of positive 6. I'm going to combine these and make one linear equation. 4x minus 3x is a positive 1x. My y's cancel out, which is what I wanted to do, and I'm left with a 3. In this case, x equals 3. Once again, I'm going to use substitution to substitute x with the value I found here. In this case, the value is 3. And I'm going to solve for y. 9 plus y equals 6. I'm going to subtract both sides by 9 to get y by itself. 6 minus 9 is a negative 3. My solution is 3, comma, negative 3, my x and my y value.